Hello viewers, I welcome you to another time on my YouTube channel tonight. How to make money from mobile toilet business in Nigeria is what I'm talking to you about today. I take that again, how can you and everyone make money from mobile toilet business in Nigeria? Let me tell you a story. Some years ago, I was in a camp meeting. And in that camp meeting, I was like a leader of some people in that place. Now, at the initial point, I was posted to the kitchen. Every time during the camp meeting, I'm posted to the kitchen, so we bring food out to the people that are in the hall of the meeting in the camp. Then, when you bring the food, people are struggling for food, running after food, struggling for food. Then, later on, I said, I don't want to work the next camp meeting, kitchen. At another time, registration, at another time, another place. At a particular time, I said, let me go and work in the toilet, in the sanitation. So I went to the toilet to work in the toilet. People were coming to the toilet, we give them tissue paper, and they will flush the toilet to make sure it is clean before people go in. Though there was a large amount of people crowd at the meeting. The toilets too were many. Somebody came, he was so pressed. We were trying to give him tissue paper, we were telling him there's no space inside, we were telling him to wait to be on the queue. He didn't mind us because he was so pressed. He just ran inside to the toilet and we were wondering where is he going to poo-poo. Eventually he came out refreshed. He didn't collect tissue paper and he didn't mind whether there is space or not. This is to show you how intricate it is when somebody wants to defecate and does not get where to defecate. It's as if everything, the system is going to be scattered. I now realize that the problem of defecation is much more than the problem of struggling to get food. People to defecate, if you don't get the space to defecate, it is more problematic than the problem of getting food to eat. And that is to buttress the fact that ship business. Viewers, it is with joy that I welcome you to this channel today. I bring you a new information that you can act on to make money in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. What is another name for portable toilet? Another name for portable toilet is mobile toilet. It is also called Thunderbox. It is also called Porta John. Another name for it is Porta Potty or Portaloo. And this is any type of toilet that can be moved around from place to place. Some can be moved by one person and some can be moved by more than one individual. In this video, I want to tell you the nitty-gritty of this mobile toilet business. Now, is this mobile toilet business, is it a profitable business? Yes, it is. You do not just want to work in this industry. You want to create your own portable restroom, rental company, and be your own boss. Good. The portable toilet industry is lucrative, and in expansion, it is a great service industry, even though it can be seen otherwise. Otumba Gaddafi, who brought this ship business, this mobile toilet to Nigeria, said ship business is serious business. Then how much does it cost to rent a mobile toilet in Nigeria? In some major cities like Lagos, Port Harcourt, like Benin, like Abuja, when they have events or ceremony or crowded areas where they cannot build toilets, you bring the mobile toilet station there. How much can you rent it for a day? It can be rented from between 15,000 to 50,000 per day for this purpose. How big is the portable toilet market? That means the people that are going to be using it, how big is the market? The global portable toilet market or the global mobile toilet market size was valued at 25 billion US dollars in 2022 and is poised to grow from that amount to grow to more and more in the years to come. What is the future of portable toilets? The global portable toilet market size was valued at much more than millions and millions of US dollars in 2022, and is expected to rise and to keep increasing at a rate of 8% annually. Can you buy your own mobile toilet? Of course you can. Instead of renting at every time for use, you can buy and be the one that is renting it out, or you can buy and be the one that is using it at a particular place, or you can rent it daily and make your money and pay those who own the toilet, pay them their own due. How long can this mobile toilet last when it is made? The average lifespan of a mobile toilet is around 10 years, but trust Nigeria, we can use it for even up to 20 years if it does not break off and it can still be entered, it can still be used. Then, how much does a new toilet cost? A new mobile toilet, you'll be asking, how much does it cost? A new mobile toilet costs around $500 to $1,000 on average, but the prices can range even beyond that or more than that for one that is smart and that can help you for a long time. Please, I need you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that the YouTube algorithm can know that people are interacting with this video, and also like this video and drop a comment in the comment section below. Now, the question comes that, do you need water in the portable toilet? In the mobile toilet? Yes. All portable or mobile toilets use water, toilet chemicals, or combination of both when flushing. For water flushing portable toilet or mobile toilet, there is a concealed water tank in this toilet unit. Sometimes this tank also serves hand washing taps within the toilet, and sometimes the two are separate water sources. Where do mobile toilets store waste? The waste is stored in the holding tanks rather than being discharged into the sewer system like our domestic toilets. Once the holding tanks reach full capacity, they have to be emptied. So the holding tanks in the mobile toilet, once you reach full capacity, the toilet will be closed. Nobody will be allowed to use that toilet again until it is carried and moved away. So that means at an event, you need more than one mobile toilet. Now, these portable or mobile toilets, do they need chemicals? Instant toilets or mobile toilets or showers use carefully selected waste treatment chemicals designed to safely break down the solids and treat the waste while reducing the possibility of odor. Odor is a problem. So there are chemicals that will bring down the odor in the tank and in the mobile toilet. The chemical mix minimizes odors and makes disposal easier. However, they need to be emptied and cleaned regularly for effective operations. Are portable toilets, are they hygienic? Yes, of course. The holding tank stores chemicals that kill the germs in the solid waste and remove the foul smell. Modern portable toilets use glutaraldehyde or quaternary ammonium compounds that are harmless to human skin and provide nice smelling fragrances. What chemical is in these mobile toilets? The chemical in this mobile toilet are called biocides. Bio means living things. Biocide, side means that these are chemicals that kill living things. They kill bacteria, they kill germs that are inside the toilet. So these are the things that also suppress the odor inside of the toilet. What then is a new portable toilet technology? The new portable toilet technology, or the new mobile toilet technology, is the automatic mobile toilet, AMT. It uses thermocompression bonding to seal waste after each use without using water. The waste is individually trapped and the soiled film is cut away after each use. How then do you start a portable toilet business? Step number one is education. You need to get an education about how the portable mobile business or the mobile toilet business, how it works. Look at busy places all over Lagos. Look at the busy places with no toilets. You can come in and bring the mobile toilet to that place after taking permission from the local government. At Egbeda, people are going blue. There is no toilet. So they have to enter into people's houses. If they don't allow them, what happens? They have to look for one corner. There's no corner. Everywhere people are there. Station your mobile toilet there and stay there and be collecting your 100 naira per pee or 200 naira per poo. And then before you know it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50, 100, 200, 300, 1,000. 1,000 people using your mobile toilet in one day, multiplied by 200. That is already 200,000 naira in just a single day. Step number 2 after education on how to start a portable mobile toilet business is storage. An industrial storage location will be needed for your daily operation. So the location where you're going to put the mobile toilet is another thing you have to look at. Number 3 is sewage disposal. When the toilet is full, how do you collect the sewage and dispose it? You think about that. That should be in your strategy. Then number 4 is that you have to define your market. Who are your market for? You cannot state a mobile toilet in a village, because in a village there's bush that people can go to. Who is going to see bush and come and be using mobile toilet inside the village? No, they won't. So it will be sited in a city. Number 5 step to starting a good mobile toilet business is to take inventory. Take inventory, calculate. What have I made? What can I make? How do I have? What am I going to do? How will I do it? And every other thing you have to plan. Number 6 is to lease or purchase the mobile toilet. You either lease from some people or you purchase it, outright purchase. Lease is going to pay you more than rent. You can also rent for a month. You can lease for a year, or you can buy. So all these are options you can look into and you can adapt. The 7th step to starting your own mobile toilet business is to obtain a business license, insurance, and then what you need, you start the business in full force. So you reach out to local government so they can give you the permit to start this mobile toilet business and start raking in your money. Now, how do you market the mobile toilet business? Increasing your mobile toilet services business market share depends on the following. Number 1, create a clear brand image. Create a clear brand image. When you cite it, you can have in the first week, you can have people citing and directing people to the location where you are. So you can have some guys dancing and pointing to the mobile toilet, and they can be doing that every day in the morning, in the afternoon, and then in the evening, pointing to people to where you are. Just like this fast food or these electronics stores, when they are just starting, you see some guys dancing in front of the shop or some ladies with some music, and people will go in and they have to turn and look at what is happening there. You can do the same with your mobile toilet, and then that will create awareness. The moment people get to know that that mobile toilet is there, they know that once they get to that location, they can have a place to ease themselves. The next thing you need to do is to understand your target audience. Another thing you need to do is to network with event planners. Network with event planners so that sometimes you don't need to station your mobile toilet at a particular location. You can move it to where they're having an event. Maybe there's a wedding, maybe there's a big birthday ceremony going on. They need your service. Instead of being there, you move the toilet to that mobile toilet to that place, and then you walk, and then you get your money. Then you create partnership for cross promotion. Then the next thing you need to do is to focus on excellent customer service. People that come to your toilet once, let them want to come again by the type of service that you can give them. When they are leaving, are you going to spray perfume on them, or you just leave them? Is there enough tissue paper? Is there enough water? Everything in order. So apart from this, do you greet them well? Do you serve them well? All these things are the things you need to do that will make them to want to come back again. The next thing you need to do is to seek positive reviews from satisfied customers. Let your customers give you a positive review, and they can tell their friend. Their friend may be at home, want to go out. I want to ease myself at home. Don't ease yourself. When we get to that location, you can ease yourself there. That toilet is good. It's better than our house toilet. People will start trooping to that place, and then you make your money from there. Is there money in this mobile toilet business? Of course, there is. Do the math. In the next video, I'm going to do the math of the mobile toilet, and the next one after that, I'm going to give you the names of people that are already in the business in Lagos and in major cities in Nigeria. How do mobile toilets work? How it works is that you have to work by you flush away waste into a holding tank that is being under the seat where you sit to excrete, which contains chemicals to reduce any odor. So just under the tank, there are chemicals that reduce the odors, and that is where the excreta is collected. They reduce the odor and they kill the germs. So these are some of the ways. Then, before I go, who made the first portable toilet or the first mobile toilet? His name is George Harding. He received the first patent for a portable potty or a portable mobile toilet in the 1960s. His idea, though, went all the way back to the 1940s. This man called Harding worked for the US War Department during World War II. That's when he started building portable toilets for use by ship builders. Inside of the plane, you also have it. And inside of different vehicles, some vehicles, specialized vehicles, they have this mobile toilets. So, viewers, thank you for watching and listening. Plan and take action. I will speak to you in the next video on the profit elements of the mobile toilet business. Subscribe to the Dr. Olubenga YouTube channel or Dr. Olubenga TV for more. Like and share this video. I will see you joyfully in the next video. Until then, this video popping up by the side is the next you should watch. So go ahead and watch it. I'll talk to you in the next one.